Hi, all of you. Today we are going to discuss how to host a website. It's all about website hosting. So we know that a website is working with its domain and the files. So domain is pointing to the files automatically that is reflecting in the front end. Or when we type that on domain name, the data in the server is reflecting with the help of that IP address. So first we have to buy a domain. So how to buy a domain? Here we have lot of service provider for domains and hosting. In that, GoDaddy is the most famous, but it's little bit higher price compared to others. But the service is good. So you have to register with them. I'm signing in here. I got username and password from them. You have to give your email ID and phone number so that they'll give you your username and password. For registration time, you can set username and password. Here I'm logging. It will show the product. I already purchased this domain, notoaustralia.com. If you want to buy, you can buy new, and they have to you have to pay with them for that. Normally it will charge 500 to 1500 as per the domain name. Maybe .com, .in, .au, everything is available. So here we bought notoaustralia.com. So we got the domain. Next we have to point this domain to the hosting settings. For that we need to buy a hosting also. I bought already a hosting. So after hosting we'll get a here's my hosting. After hosting we'll get an IP address that you have to add in the domain section. So here we have domains. After buying domain it will be listed in the domain section like this. Then you have to click on DNS. Here IP address you have to change. This is the IP address of my hosting provider. If you have any another, you have to add that. Here I'm adding that and saving. So this is done. So this is pointing to the hosting IP. So this is the main. Here is the pointing is happening. Error code we have to change to error code value. We have to change to the corresponding hosting IP address. Here my hosting IP address is 182.50.148.128. This is the hosting service provider. So this is done. We bought the domain from GoDaddy, and in DNS setting we change the hosting IP address. So in hosting, this is hosting IP address, and hosting also we have to add domain and the folder we are going to host. Here I mentioned Noto Australia folder only. The data are saving. So you have to press OK after adding that. I already added that. Here you can see that. So after that, so almost is everything is done. You have to wait for few seconds. After that, you have to type the web address. So showing WordPress because I already added WordPress file in that Noto Australia section. So WordPress files are there, and I have created a database for that. So we are installing WordPress in that domain. So I selected language English and I press continue. Here you have option to add title. I add a site title, username, and password. After that, you can press on install button. So they're saying you must provide an email number. You have to provide email number. I am just giving text at gmail.com and install WordPress. So successfully we install that WordPress. Then you have to go to WordPress is installed. Here this is the WordPress website. So it's pointed correctly. So this noteaustria.com is pointing to the WordPress site what we installed in the hosting provider. Hope you understood that how to host. Thank you.